A very good morning to one and all. My name is Divyanshu Dhanuka. Today I have given a topic on buying and my future. So I am going forward to map out how I am looking forward in the next future, in the coming decade. So currently I am a pharma distributor by profession. Through this presentation, I am going to map out how I am looking forward in the next decade and what are the actions that I will take and how I will move forward in the next decade. Having clear goals in life is very important, as success in life comes from strategic thinking and making consistent effort on the thing. Through this journey, I am not only look forward to increase my revenue streams, but also transform myself as a leader and a contributor to the society. My 10-year goal is to build a diversified business ecosystem. Starting the core as my current business, that is pharma distribution. With time, I also look to expand on the related fields such as healthcare industry and healthcare products. After which, I will also look to contributing to society by multiple ways. In the year one, my focus would be on strengthening the foundation of the current business. To do that, to solidify the strengths of the current business, we would have to improve the efficiencies of the current supply chain management, which can be done by which will result in improving the profits by reducing the cost. Secondly, we will also strengthen the relationship with the supplier, which is very important to ensure that the quality goods, we have a steady flow of quality goods. In third step would be to increase our revenue by focusing on the targeted market, doing campaigns for that target market so that we attract more customers and retain more customers. All these four steps will help us make a stable foundation for all the future goals that we are aiming at. In the second year, our focus will be on expanding customer reach, for which we will try to broaden our distribution by entering new regions. Before entering any new region, we will first research that what are the unmet needs of that market, and accordingly tailor our distribution network to meet them. We will also focus on building brand through campaigns, running digital marketing through social medias and other platforms so that the customers are aware about our brand and prefer to buy from us. And this year, we will also invest in technology, as in technology is very important and customers also value reliable and faster services in today's days. In year 3, our focus would be on establishing a team. As everybody knows that no business can grow without the right team. For doing that, we will hire skilled professionals. Skilled professional in the area of sales, in the area of marketing, in the area of customer service. Hiring skilled professional will help me delegate the day-to-day task to them, so that I can more focus on strategic growth, which is necessary for any business. At this point, it will be crucial to conduct training programs for the employees, so that my visions align with them. In year 4, we will focus on diversifying into related areas. We will first explore the related areas such as diagnostic and healthcare products, which are closely related to this industry. This will not only increase our revenues from the businesses that we existingly have, but it will also better our position in the total healthcare ecosystem. To do that, we will start small, running pilot projects. We will make partnership with the hospitals and clinics, which will help us judge whether these new projects are feasible or not. In year 5, we will focus on achieving scale. As we have set up a right team and systems in place, we are now ready to handle higher volumes. To generate higher volumes, we will run campaigns which will attract more customers. To handle higher volumes efficiently, we will streamline our processes. We will invest in a good inventory management system, which will help us achieve more sustainable growth and also ensure that customer satisfaction is not compromised. In year 6, I will focus on building personal brand and networking. As any business grow, it is important to have a personal brand. So for doing that, I would attend multiple events, industry events, and share my insights on the healthcare topics. Sharing my insight on healthcare topic will build myself as a thought leader in the industry, which will in turn build a good relationship with the key stakeholder in the industry. In year 7, we will focus on investing more in technology, as technology acts as a game changer in any industry whatsoever. So, leveraging technology, we will leverage the technology for efficiency. We will use technology to predict market trends. We will use data analytics for data mining and predicting trends. At this point, we will also explore e-commerce opportunities so that the business is competitive and future ready. In year 8, we will look to strengthen customer relationship. As customer relationship is at the center of any business, because if we have satisfied customer, they are the most important asset of any business. For doing that, we will introduce multiple loyalty programs. We will gather feedbacks from them of where we can improve. We will also we will also provide value addition support to them so that they are happy with us. These steps will ensure that in long term the business is sustainable and runs on its own without burning its cash. In year 9 and 10, my focus will be on giving back to the community. For doing that, I will establish multiple healthcare initiatives, particularly in the underserved areas, and also help new entrepreneurs in this industry to contribute by sharing my insights and experiences. It will help them to contribute to the society in this industry. As we all know that every challenge, any journey in life is filled with challenges. So I am anticipating that the challenges that we face in this industry are intense competition, regulatory hurdles, that the regulation always changes, and there are multiple things that needs to be approved, and managing multiple ventures together. This would be the most important challenges that I anticipate. Coming to solutions, to tackle all this, I would stay updated on industry trends so that I am aware about what are the new things going on in the industry, and take steps accordingly. I would build a strong team who will ensure that all the regulations and all the regulation and day-to-day activities are taken care efficiently. And I will also leverage technology as a big enabler to do all this. In conclusion, in 10 years, I want to evolve as a pharma distributor to a diversified business entrepreneur. Through this journey, I not only want to increase my revenue stream, but also contribute to the society, be a valuable asset to the society. This is all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Like, comment, and subscribe.